Joaquin designs a game for the school fair. Contestants roll 2 number cubes at the same time. If the sum of the numbers on the 2 cubes is 7, the player wins. About how many winners should Joaquin expect if 500 contestants play his game? The first step is to find all possible outcomes and all winning outcomes. One way to find the possible outcomes is to roll the dice over and over again and record every outcome. However, this method would take a long time, and repeated outcomes might occur before new outcomes. Instead, make a table to show all the possible outcomes. List the possible outcomes of the blue number cube to label each row, and the possible outcomes of the red number cube to label each column. Then, fill in the table. For example, if the blue number cube shows 6, then the possible sums of the 2 cubes are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Complete the other rows in the same way. The table shows that there are 6 outcomes that have a sum of 7, which means there are 6 ways to win out of a total of 6 times 6, or 36 possible combinations of rolls. Now we're ready to find the theoretical probability of rolling a sum of 7. The probability is equal to the number of outcomes that have a sum equal to 7, divided by the total number of possible outcomes. There are 6 outcomes with the winning sum of 7, and 36 possible outcomes. So the probability is 6 divided by 36, or 1/6. Now we're ready to use proportional reasoning to predict the number of winners, which we'll represent with the variable W. The probability of 1/6 is equal to the number of winners, W, divided by the total number of contestants, which is 500. Multiply both sides of the equation by 500 to find that W is equal to 83.3 repeating. Of 500 contestants, Joaquin should expect about 83 winners.